Hello everyone, welcome to By Chance Architecture. It's been long time since I have recorded the video. I'm going through a lot of things happened. Today I have decided that let's make a video. It's my Diwali vacation with lot of works, but still I'm thinking that I have created a YouTube channel, but I'm not uploading any videos or so. So this is the first PPT I made after joining architecture at Jadavpur University in my materials and method of constructions classes PPT my professor gave. So he told us to make a PPT presentation on the properties of building materials, and that very instant moment the only thing that came into my mind is a bamboo tree, and I immediately decided I'll be making videos or making PPT in on the basis of properties of building materials bamboo. So this is the first page of my presentation, or you can say the cover page. This is my very first PPT, first semester, first year. So yeah, bamboo can save our planet because it does. Coming to the introduction, we all know that bamboo has been in wide usage since ancient times because it's a low cost material for houses, bridges, or in the region where the plant grows in abundance, such as you can say South America, Africa, India also, and particularly India is part of the Southeast Asia. So yes, recently it started appearing in designers' home as flooring, walls, and paneling materials. Bamboo is renewable and versatile resources also, and it also characterized by high strength and low weight. Bamboo is also the world's fastest growing woody plant. It grows approximately, I found it in Google also, 7.5 to 40 centimeter a day. Bamboo also excels in biomass production, giving 40 tons or more per hectare annually. It's been used successfully to rehabilitate soil ravaged by brick making in India also. And the most important thing, bamboo is one of the most oldest construction material which has been used all over the world as building materials in the form of walls, roof foundation, reinforcement, and decorations. Bamboo acts as a good earthquake resistance materials also, so you can see in Japan or the earthquake prone areas they are making buildings by using bamboo also. It has lot of properties to consider it as building materials like tensile strength, shrinking, fire resistance, elasticity, modulus of elasticity, anisotropic properties, durability. So we'll be discussing one by one. In tensile strength, the fiber of bamboo run axially, and the outer zone are highly elastic vascular bundle that have a high tensile strength. Number 2, the tensile strength of this fiber is higher than that of steel, but it's not possible to construct connection that can transfer these tensile strengths. The common tensile stress in steel reinforcement is 160 Newton per millimeter square, and the bamboo is 370 Newton per millimeter square. So tensile strength is high than other steel reinforcement, so it can be used as a building materials. Coming to the mass per volume of steel is 7,850 kg per meter cube, and the bamboo is about 500 to 600 kg per meter cube. Evidently, bamboo is cheaper because the price of bamboo per weight will be less than half of that steel also, and yeah, for the sustainability we can use bamboo as a building material. Shrinking. Bamboo shrinks more than wood when it loses water. and the canes can tear apart at the nodes. Bamboo shrinks in cross-sectional of 10 to 16% in the wall thickness of 15 to 17. So therefore it's necessary to take essential measures to prevent water loss when used as a building material. So we can consider it as a perfect building material, and in the name of sustainability also it does helpful. Fire resistance is very good because of the high content of silicate acid, and we know that it filled up with water. It can stand a temperature of 400 degrees centigrade while the water cooks inside. So the reason, of course, we can consider it as a building material. Elasticity also a very good building material for earthquake dangerous areas that I was talking about previously. And another advantage of bamboo for using it as a building material is its low weight. Modulus of elasticity, the distribution of those fibers increases from inside to outside. And the E modulus, you can see the data is about the 50% of the cross section of the fiber is cellulose, and 60% is outside for fiber and 10% on the inside. And the density of the fiber in the cross sectional of bamboo shell varies along its thickness. So this presents a functionally gradient material evolved according to the state of stress distribution in its natural environment. So bamboo is perfectly low cost material, sustainable material for using as a building material. Sorry. Anisotropic properties, we can also see bamboo is an anisotropic materials, and there are cellulose fibers in the longitudinal direction which is strong and stiff, and in the transverse direction there is lignin which is soft and brittle. Durability. If we see in the eye of durability, bamboo with low humidity is less prone to mold attacks, especially when humidity content is less than 15%. And the quality of bamboo increases with a decrease in its humidity content. Use of bamboo in construction, you can see scaffolding, we can use reinforcement, roofing, walling, foundation, doors and windows in decoration. Such a vast uses you can see in bamboo. In scaffolding, you can see that bamboo poles slashed together have been used as scaffolding in high-rise structure due to their strength and resilience. We commonly see that bamboo in it. Bamboo column and beam. Bamboo are used as a reinforcement in beams and columns, and also in the building construction. You can see bamboo column, bamboo beam. You can see the bamboo roofing, bamboo trusses, bamboo tile roofing, bamboo thatch roofing. Bamboo is also a good material in vernacular architecture too. In vernacular architecture in the rural areas, you can see that people are making construction using bamboo in the vast uses. You can see the bamboo flooring also. As a flooring materials is also better, and wear and tear resistance and resilience properties. Whole columns act as a framework, and the floor covering is done using split bamboo boards. Mats means a well lashing this to the frame. In bamboo walling and ceiling, you can see bamboo board wall, bedrock wall. Indoor also we are using bamboo as a concrete foundation. Consider single foot footing and strip footing. How to protect bamboo? It's important to know how to protect bamboo. Well, it is sustainable as a building material also, and environment friendly. So untreated bamboo has the following lifespans in different conditions: exposure to soil and atmosphere 1 to 3 years, undercover 4 to 7 years, very favorable condition like 10 to 15 years, and natural durability also depends on the species of the bamboo. You can preserve bamboo also. We can do by two methods, that is non-chemical method or traditional method, and two is chemical method also. Methods I'm not discussing. Advantage, definitely there are a lot of advantage in bamboo, so we use it, right? So bamboo is an extremely strong natural fiber. Yes, it is. Shock absorbing and thus earthquake resistance also, so we are using it as a building material. Strength is also high, extremely strong natural fiber with standard hardwoods when cultivated. Flexibility also, bamboo is highly flexible during its growth and it may be trained to grow in unconventional shapes. Earthquake resistance, yeah, it has a great capacity for shock absorption. Lightweight also, bamboo is extremely lightweight, consequently building with bamboo can be accomplished faster with simple tools than building with other materials. Cost effective, economically, especially in areas where it's cultivated and it's readily available. Transporting cost is also depends and also much lesser, low cost and environment friendly. And yeah, durability also, as long lasting as its wooden prelates when properly harvested and maintained. Limitations and drawback also is there. When something is helping, it definitely does have limitations and drawbacks also. Joining technique, many traditional joint types exist but their structural efficiency is definitely low than RCC structure, right? Flammability, bamboo structures are not fire resistant and the cost of treatment where available is relatively high. And the lack of design guidance and codification, I will say that because mostly we have been trained for the RCC structure type of design, but there is a lack of efficiency in making vernacular type architecture, and we have in India people like lesser knowledge in vernacular architecture and practicing very lesser also. Yeah, so lack of design guidance and co-condition, the engineering design of bamboo structure has not been fully addressed, and there is little or no data containing specifications or bamboo also. So because of lack design of guidance and purification, we don't much even use that in our structure. Projects to note for the sustainability, we are seeing the remarkable projects that has been used before, that has been done before, that is National Bamboo Mission in India that offers subsidies if you grow bamboo. In Kenya government also, they have started a massive campaign to convert its tobacco farmer into bamboo farmers. In Philippines in 2010, government planted 500,000 hectares of bamboo. Godrej had started production of bamboo bikes. Infosys has planted 32,000 bamboo plants for power creation. Bajaj is experimenting to create brake pads for bamboo. Reliance is researching bamboo has crucial ingredient for biodiesel also. So yeah, it's notable. Lastly, in conclusion, we can say that bamboo is an environmental friendly material. It should give more importance. Bamboo is very light in weight with compared to steel, so dead load of the member can be decreased with use of it. Bamboo is easily available material. Yeah, you can see that. So it is economic material also, and by using that we can reduce the cost of construction. Since bamboo is very effective in seismic resistance, use of it should be safe. It has been the backbone of much of the world's rural life. I was talking about that vernacular architecture, and will remain so as the population increases. Yeah. So this is the end of my PPT. Thank you for watching. This is my very first PPT after I joined architecture. So if you want to wanna show quickly, here I have used the Century Gothic font. If anyone was asking about the font, it is because now I love it, and every PPT I do make by using Century Gothic only, and I love this PPT. So green, so green. Just let me know in the comment also how did you love the PPT. I know there might be a lot of mistakes, but with a lot of courage I am making this after so long. I am back in YouTube. Hope I'll be continuing. I did in my first semester. Now I am in third semester. Recently I am also working on the PPT of vernacular architecture of Purva Medinipur and Paschim Medinipur, and after completion of the PPT I will also upload that. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. It's been really long since I am recording the video, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.